There's no other way. Your love. Talk about a long night trip. No, no, no. Don't ever wait. You kept traces of my past. Your frames are divided in my thoughts. Your love. Dance so I can feel your lips on. Your friends are nowhere to be found. We're tripping all around and girl, we don't know about it. There's people all around, but girl, it's a private party.
Draco! Hi, Draco! Hey! Draco! Say hi, Draco. How are you? Draco, what's going on? What happened to your leash? Huh? Your leash broke. Oh man, that sucks. I need another hook. Yeah, I have to go buy you another one, right? Okay. You can change? Look at his stuff broke.
Huh?
His thing broke.
Broke?
Yeah, we have to go buy another one. See, look. It broke off.
I have a necklace.
Yay! You got a nice one, Draco. Hi, Draco. Alright. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Jess and I have decided to go on a little hike just down the road from our house. We're going to switch over to the GoPro, so I apologize in advance if the quality sucks. But I think you guys won't even notice that. You guys will notice the area. It's beautiful, guys. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to switch over to the GoPro right now. So let's go. Alright, guys. Right here. Oh, hate mosquitoes.
Sometimes I try to put myself out there. Sometimes I try to make it look like I'm comfortable in the skin I wear. But these words cut deeper than a knife, and I gotta act like I don't care. But if it didn't happen, then I guess I wouldn't be here. I guess I wouldn't be here. Oh no, stop with all the bullshit. I'm done with all the fake love, so you should really just quit. Cause I saw the text on your phone, and it's hard to see. It's hard to see. So I guess I'll be on my way. But I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, no. No, I don't wanna live in a world without you. one that always stays the same. Now I'm in the corner thinking back on all these memories, like what I'd do if you had stayed, and all the lies that you betrayed. If time stood still and I could see you again, then I would keep you with me, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, I don't wanna live in a world without you. No, no.
What's up, guys? So yeah, this is actually one of our favorite waterfalls here in our part of town. You know, we should come here more often, but yeah, we gotta work. Sorry, unfortunately. But take a look at this, guys. Oh my god, this is just breathtaking. I don't know how much you guys can hear me, but the water flow is very powerful right now. I actually like it when it's less powerful, and you know, you'll see more, you know, more waterfalls coming down, more, a little bit more. But nonetheless, guys, it is totally beautiful. Oh yeah, you have a swing over here also, right here. Right there. I think I have an old video that has my fat body swinging on that thing. All right, I got no batteries left. All right, I hope you guys liked it. Hit the subscribe button, the like, and leave a comment. All right, peace, guys.